Hi, everybody. This is Denise McKinley coming at you, and this is my first market update in the Oviedo area. So I'm driving you forward in real estate. So I wanted to let you guys know that the interest rates have come down a bit. For the FHA, they're in the high fives, and for conventional loans, they're in the high sixes. So they have dropped below 7, and the Fed is going to be dropping them this year a little bit, maybe not the first quarter, but that means that more buyers are in the market. And this is really interesting. I looked at all the inventory 6 months ago, and I look at it in Oviedo, Winter Springs, Castleberry, Winter Park, Lake Mary, Longwood, and Orlando. And all of the inventory in all of those have gone up. Not a whole lot, but they're all increased. But what's interesting as I look at the pendings too, and all of the number of pendings have gone down. So it makes a bigger gap in between. So anyway, the market is still good, especially here in Florida. And the kids are back to school, just started today. Oh, I wanted to show you. This is the necklace that Stella got me for Christmas, and it actually matches the stone of my ring. And I mean, she picked that all out by herself, which I was so proud of her. So anyway, I wanted to let you guys know all about the inventory and the interest rates, and I will be doing a market update every Monday. So you guys have a good day, and talk to you soon. Bye.